Hey guys, what's going on? This is AJ170 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install my realistic Bong simulator for VRChat. So there's a couple of things you are going to need first. The first thing you want to install, and this is in order, it is very important you guys install this stuff in this specific order. The first thing you want to install is the Avatars 3.0 Manager. There's going to be a link to this GitHub in the description. You go here, go to Releases, and then download the latest Unity package. Next, you're going to want to go to Pyomi. It's going to be the same thing. You're going to want to go to Releases, and then download 7.3 for the Unity package. This is just the 7.3. We do not want 8.0 or 8.1. Next, you're going to need to download and install the final IK stub. So you just, or if you guys already have the full paid final IK, that works too. But you need one or the other. Go to Releases and download and install the Unity package. And then last but not least, you want to install Sophia's item and weapon. Just go ahead and go to Releases, just like the previous ones. Click on the Unity package and install. Very simple and straightforward. And then the last thing you guys want to install is my paid package. Once you have all of those installed onto your avatar, we are good to proceed. So you're going to want to go to Bong System, and then you'll see a Sophia's prefab here. We're going to want to go ahead and click and drag this and put it into our avatar's main hierarchy, and then we are pretty much done with our avatar hierarchy stuff. Everything is already set up over there. One thing we might need to do is you might need to go through the materials, and as you can see, the Bong is purple, so that means I just need to go through all of these materials and then just change them to Pyomi 7.3 and then Pyomi Tune, and then everything should be working. But that is only if you guys are seeing this. I am going to be fixing this before I upload everything. So you guys shouldn't have to do this, but in case things are purple, that just means there's some type of error with Pyomi. So you just need to go through and select everything. Everything should still look exactly the same. There should not be any issues. Pyomi again, tune. And then there we go. Everything's nice and beautiful, and it looks the way it should. To make sure everything's working right, we can just go ahead and go to Pickup Holder, Item 1, Container, enable it, and everything looks fine. And then we can go ahead and make sure the particles look fine, which they do, so everything is good with the Bong system. So now what we're going to want to do is we want to merge the FX layers. So we're going to want to use the Avatar 3.0 Manager. We're going to click and drag our avatar into the box up here. We're going to go to FX. We're going to scroll down. We're going to click Add Animator on Merge. We're going to click on the little bullseye target. And then you want to do Avatar FX Bong System. And then Merge on Current. Now we want to do this again. So again, we click Add Animator on Merge. Click on the bullseye target. And then we want to look for WD Off to or WD on to, one or the other. I'm going to go ahead and explain what the difference is that. I'll go ahead and show you guys the location. They're both right here. The difference in this are your write dynamics. This depends if your avatar has write dynamics on or off. I use write dynamics on because that has the most compatibility, but if for whatever reason your avatar has required them to be off, my system should work with it being off, but if for whatever reason it doesn't, go ahead and contact me on Discord and I'll update it. My Discord is inside the description. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to do write dynamic on. So we're going to want to go back to the 3.0 manager, click and drag that in because I didn't mean to close out of it. Go back to our FX, add animator on merge, and then WD on, scroll down, merge on current, and then now we want to merge the parameters that are needed for this. So we're going to scroll down, we're going to click on parameter 2, which is located in the Sophia's pickups and weapon, copy parameters, and then now we're almost done. Then for this, I'm just going to go ahead and do set WD on. And then now everything should be fine. So now we can go ahead and test if this is all. Oh, and we need to be able to have a way to enable this. Under item toggle, these will be named item 1, item 2. The first item is going to be your bong. The second item is going to be your lighter. Now we're going to need to add this to our VRChat avatar. So we're going to click on our main avatar in the hierarchy. Scroll down to the menu. we're going to go ahead and click on wherever our menu is. I'm going to want to put this under the miscellaneous submenu. So then you're just going to want to create a new control like this right here. Name it whatever you want. I named mine objects. Then you're going to want to click on the type, do submenu, leave the parameter blank, and then for the submenu, you're going to want item toggle 2. To make sure that we did this properly, we can go ahead and click item toggle 2, click it again, and then this says Bong and lighter, so that means we did everything right. This is the 2-item system. That is what we're using. And now we're done. You can go ahead, upload this avatar to VRChat, and go ahead and smoke your virtual bong with all of your other friends in any lobby. It is that simple, guys. All you have to do is make sure you install the parameters, the 2FX layers, the prefab, and then I'm pretty sure that's about it. If you guys have any trouble installing this, please let me know on Discord. I will personally help you out one-on-one. But that's going to be it. This is AJ170 signing out.